Hello, this is Gracie from Graciellie Design. I'm so glad to be here today. We're celebrating our 7th year anniversary at Graciellie Design Shop, and I wanted to stop by to share a new card idea with you. I'm featuring one of my favorite sets from the shop, and it's this beautiful detail Magnolia branch digital stamp set. I printed it in toner using a laser printer, and that allowed me to run the image through a laminator. In this case, I used my ink machine using Deco Foil, and I used the Twinkling Pink Gina K Designs foil for Therm O Web, which is a very sparkly and beautiful foil to work with. And then I came in with watercolors. I'm using Paul Reubens watercolors. These are very pigmented, and I'm going in with several layers of color, going in first with a very soft wash and then coming back with a second layer of color to add some shadows and details to the petals. To add even more details to the flowers, I'm going to come in with some glitter watercolors from Paul Reubens. I'm going to add a few strokes of shimmery gold to the petals and also to the branch itself, and that gives the image so much shimmer and just a special little something extra. And now I'm going to be fussy cutting the magnolias carefully because I want to use it to frame the focal point on my card. Next, I'm going to work on the background. I printed the new Magnolia background stamp on kraft paper. Again, this is printed in toner and then foiled using the beautiful gold sequins fancy foil by Gina K Designs for Therm O Web. I then cut my card panel, and I thought I would add some splatters using pink glitter watercolors from the same Paul Reubens palette. It did warp the paper just a little bit because I used lightweight kraft cardstock, but I added a lot of adhesive to the back and I was able to attach that okay to the card base. I think it worked out great. Now it's time to put together the card design, and I'm going to be layering all the elements here. I did foil a sentiment. This is from a set called Time to Let Go. I attached the floral diagonally, and then you see me performing some surgery on the floral because I want the branch to fit within the panel. Next, I'm attaching the sentiment banner and cutting off any excess from the edge of the card base. The card is virtually ready by now, but I decided to go ahead and add some sequins because it seems like I cannot have enough sparkle on a card. And so I'm adding a bunch of different sequins here using thermowebs, kraft, ultra bond adhesive. And this is basically it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching me put together this card idea, that you learned something new from all the techniques that I shared today. I invite you to follow us at Graciellie Design on Instagram, Facebook, our blog, and also our shop, gracielliedesign.shop. Lots of events and amazing offers are happening right now. Also, be sure to like and follow. Leave me a comment below letting me know what your favorite element on this card is. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.